All right, here we go. So I owe an update because Merc Wizard, I said I was going to make it and it'd be out in May. And so it's May for another 2 weeks. And this is where I'm at with it. It's pretty much, I think, ready to go. I rebuilt it instead of being a web front end with like a Python server. It's now a full Python installable app using Tori. And so what it does, first of all, it opens up. You pick your install folder. It'll try and auto detect installs, and you can see here's all my installs. I'm kind of messing around with this still. It's really not necessary. I might end up removing it for a lightweight version, but uh, just something that I was messing around with, really. But anyway, you select your install. Uh, so select this one for me because it's one that I don't care about. And you can browse the roster. So it'll tell you whatever roster this is. So like right now, you can see this is the roster for this copy of my mod that is kind of all jacked up. Um, and this is backups. It'll back up, your current settings, and you can take a snapshot of it. Have not thoroughly tested that yet, but it does do the backups. I haven't actually tried to restore one yet, though. This is our settings here, where again you can set the active install if you want. You can set the backup behavior, and then this is some stuff for later that doesn't actually exist yet. Ignore it. So you can create a new Merc, in which case it'll show you here are the open slots for your install that are empty right now. Um, Filled slots are disabled. And so you go to the next, you fill all this out, drop your portrait, select all your stats, whether or not they have a deposit, well, how much you pay them, biography and additional info, select their gear. Gonna spruce this up at some point to make it a little bit better than this, but this is quick and easy. Select the voice information, and then it'll let you review, and you can compile and write to the game, and it'll put them right into the game. You can also add an existing one if you want. Come in here and edit them, hit save. It'll make the changes, make whatever changes you want, quick and easy if you just want to edit one guy. You could copy a Merc. So you can say, okay, I want to move Barry to slot 200. Slot 200 is unassigned. And he's just warning they won't appear on the aim site. That's okay. Do it anyway. There we go. Now copied Barry over there. Um, Theoretically, now if we scroll down, what slot? There he is, 200. There he is in 200 and in 0. Now I got two berries in that game. Now if we want to delete 200 slot berry, we can do that. Berry's gone. He's gone. We also could have typed berry. He just showed up that way. Game slots, Merc slots, NPC, RPC. See all that. Cut Merc would, like clean the slot and move them over if you want. And that allows exporting a WMerc file and then importing a WMerc file. So if you want to, send it to somebody and then use it to import, it's just an easier way to do that. If you want to trade, and then you click here, it'll just launch the game from the current directory, whatever directory you're in, just to make it easy so you can check, make sure everything's working properly. And then you can switch the installs too. So like, you go to this Vengeance install and we can come in and look at the Vengeance install here. And so I think, yeah, see, Eskimo will be in the Vengeance install, for example. I think it'll have like Matt, right? Matt, yeah. There you go. There's Matt. And so it's working. I tested everything works fine on my computer. There are no issues with it. I tested each of these functions except for the backup, which I forgot about. So all of it is working. It is. I've got two versions of it. One is a 20 megabyte file that then has to download some common file libraries if you don't already have them. Most people probably already have them, but that's the lightweight version. The heavier version is like 140 megabytes, I think. But then, like, that's the installer, and once installed, it's actually like really, really big file, and that's where I've got probably some work to do to try and figure out how to make that smaller. But this is basically it. It works really, really well for its purpose. It's super easy to use. You can't really mess anything up. Uh, it'll do everything the right way every time, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to mess around with editing any XML files or moving files around yourself. All you need are the pictures, the sounds, and whatever you want the stats to be or the biographies to say. Um, so that's pretty much it as far as that's concerned with Merc Wizard. Um, Thanks for listening, everybody, and let me know if you have any questions. I've got it on my Google Drive right now, but I'll probably be throwing it up on my website at some point as well. Thanks.